Hi everybody, it's NAVIFORCE here. Today we are going to have an unboxing review, and the watch of today is the NF9185. Okay, without further ado, let's begin. As you can see here, the outlook and the quality of the black cover, the box is quite nice. It can be a gift box, and our logo NAVIFORCE is well printed on the cover here. Now read it off, and you can see there is an inside box here. Take out the inside box. There is the guarantee card here, and the warranty year is for the warranty period is for 1 year. And here is the instruction manual of this watch. According to the instruction manual, you can adjust your new watch very clearly and easily. Okay, here is the watch of today is the NF9185. And this is a Quartz multifunctional watch. First, let's look at the back side here. And from the back side, you can know the model number here, the NF9185, and some other details like the material of the bezel is the stainless steel bezel, and the professional waterproof is for 3 ATM. And the case diameter of this model is 45 mm, and the thickness is 30.4 mm. The case is zinc alloy material. The total length of this watch is 245 mm. The strap is stainless steel material, which is not easy to wear and tear. It is a 3-link design. Very beautiful. And here the folding buckle with safety of this watch is quite easy to wear. Let me show you. Now moving over to more details about the dial design. On the dial, you can see there are 3 functional windows for showing here the 24 hours, and here the week display, and here the date display. The two windows at the 3 and the 9 o'clock position are designed in hollow design, so you can see the movement here in the back. Then from the whole view, and you can see the frames and the patterns of the 3 windows form into a bold face with a smirk, like a robot, and it is really a sense of future and technology, right? And the pattern here is the cloth that Paris. It's very textured. Now let's see all the colors of this model. This model has 5 colors totally. This one is the silver black. And this one is the silver blue. This one is the rose gold blue. And this one is the rose gold black. It's very cool. And the last one is the color that I just talked about using as a sample. This one is the solid coffee. And the color scheme is very cool, right? Okay, that's all unboxing content of the NF9185 today. Please thumb up and subscribe here, as well as follow us on the Instagram or the Facebook if you guys love us and want to see more interesting content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.